Hello guys, so let me take you on a tour around some places in Umuahia. So this is around the Umuahia. These are Home Market Square. This is where our market square is located. It's located inside the town. It's not as big as the one in Aba, but it's still big if you go inside. If you look from outside, it looks small. But when you get inside, try, big sha. Not as the one in Aba, like I said. So this is inside Umuahia town. Go. This is along Aziki Road. From this road now, you can head to Matade, and as you can see, I'm going now straight to Aziki Junction, from which I'll continue the rest of my journey. I'll be passing through Aba Road. I'll get to Ishikot. From Ishikot, I'll get to Umuahia and then Ubakala. So guys, come with me as I show you around Umuahia through the lens of my camera. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. If you watch the video, you like it, if you find it interesting, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell above. So guys, let's continue with the journey. So we're getting close to Aziki Junction. That's a popular junction here in Umuahia. The moment you come into Umuahia and you tell a tricycle Aziki, it will just take you there. So that's City Boy movement signpost or this thing hung there. Makande City Boys, movement of the APC. So as you can see, I now control the traffic back onto Chala side. So we are going down, and very soon I will be passing the Umudike Junction. Umudike Junction is just somewhere around there. I think the get tested this thing you're seeing there, the junction there, that's Umudike Junction, from which Ibakeke, Sheba, Webatawa, you get to Michael Okpara University. We go down. But we're not going to take that road. We are going to be heading down Aba Road, from which we'll get to Ishikot, like I said earlier. So guys, kindly watch the video down to the end. It might have changed in your eyes. You can tell me in the comment section. Around this area, I think I need to shops where people sell, markets, electronics, dress for wedding, anything you want to buy, you get them along here too. And then the fence you're seeing, that's where we have Federal Medical Center, FMC Umuahia. And this other road you're seeing, this other one, I didn't capture it. It will take you to Bank Road, but we'll keep going down. We'll just keep going straight, and from there I'm going to get to my final destination. So let me see if I can capture FMC's gate. Oh, sorry, I couldn't capture the gates. And we have a junction, a bus stop here. Sorry, there's a bus stop here. If you're waiting for a tricycle, you can just stand there, and when you get one, you get and just very close to FMC, almost opposite FMC, you get the Abia State Specialist Hospital. I didn't really capture the inside, but I'm Nagafe right now. And from here, you just keep going down straight. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Watch the video down to the end if you can, and tell me what you think in the comment section.